Hello Steam enthusiasts! In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of resetting your controller settings on Steam. Whether you're troubleshooting or simply want a fresh start, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Our first method involves resetting controller settings through Steam. Here's how you can do it. So step 1, we need to access Steam settings. Launch Steam and navigate to settings. So we have Steam launched, and let's go to settings. Step 2 is to open controller settings. In the settings menu, open controller settings and ensure that all configuration support options are turned off. Now we have here the controller settings and all configuration supports are off. Now we can proceed to method 2, which is to edit Steam configuration file. Now we'll delve into editing a Steam configuration file to further reset your controller settings. Now, step 1 is to locate Steam configuration file. Exit Steam and locate the Steam configuration folder. Now make sure that Steam is off in the background out. So let's click on exit Steam, like so, and now Steam is exited. And we need to find the configuration file, which is in your normally downloaded in your program files, Steam, and go to config. For step 2, we need to edit the configuration file. So open the configuration file with Notepad. Look for any lines related to SDL. So here the config file, and let's click open. Now to find it easier, what we can do is press Ctrl F. You will click the find option here and type in SDL, and then click find next, like so. And there you have it. Now what you need to do for step 3 is we need to delete the SDL code. So delete any SDL related code in the file and save your changes and close the file. So right here we have the SDL like so, and we just need to delete the code like that, like so, then click delete. And what we need to do now is we need to reconnect our controller. And there you have it. Resetting your controller settings on Steam is as simple as that. We hope this tutorial was helpful in solving any issues you might have had. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gamers. Don't forget to subscribe for more Steam related tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.